Today's day one. I got two GOATs, really respected barbers in the barber industry coming through today to take the course. I'm excited to vlog this and show you guys what the course looks like. You know, I'm not gonna give you too much, but just show you guys a little highlight reel of what the course looks like and who I have with me today. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for the notifications. I'll be dropping a lot of content this year, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned to what I got going on. But before we get started with this vlog, let's go ahead and run that intro.
Hey yo, She's the Barber from DC. I'm over here with Angel during the SMP class. I'm so excited of this new upcoming industry, and hey, we're in North Florida, Jacksonville. I appreciate it, man. This is probably the best class I've ever been in.
What's up, y'all? DJ Cutter here. I'm here at the SMP factory learning my last additional skill set of the year. Of course, I had to come learning from Angel Ross himself, the best in the industry. His instruction is great. His thoroughness is great. And just the way that he gives the information is so understandable and relatable, especially if you're a barber. So if you're looking for somebody to learn from, if you're looking for somebody that's gonna teach you how to get those crisp lines and teach you how to fade those dots out, the SMP factory is where you wanna be. Angel Ross is who you wanna see.
So what we doing?
We're drawing the our baseline, sketching our line out, make sure it's symmetrical before you even start our SMP. So we can always make adjustments with this white pencil, and that's the advantage.
Yep.
Is figure out what is the client like in our professional opinion. Especially as barbers, we have an eye for it, of detail and consistency, and that's what we want to give to our clients.
So remember that the main part of this is that back line. You want to make sure that back line is, because if I start to do dots up here and then I'm following that, you see how it comes down a little bit?
Yeah. See what you're saying.
You know what I'm saying? Because I don't care about this line. That line is irrelevant. What matters is this back line, making sure that's nice and straight. So I drag that pencil, I make it a fat line. And then with my finger, I just go in and
tighten it up.
Make sure. What you doing with the pencil?
We going sideways, leaning with it sideways to create a thicker line. My bad.
Good.
Maybe I should start this way because I'm left-handed.
Whatever makes you comfortable. Sometimes you gotta pull the light back too. Like pull it back and figure out where it is, because it'll show you where it's at. See?
Right there. Yep.
Finish up day 3. How you feeling, bro?
Feeling great, man. Prepared.
Let's go. B, how you feeling?
Man, awesome. Probably the most excited I've been in a long time, for real, honestly.
Appreciate you guys tuning in. We'll catch you guys on the next one, man.